I'm Johnny Green from Electric Lizard Electrical Services. We really like using M-Elec products. We were using Voltex a lot before, but because we like supporting local businesses, we've made a switch to have a lot of our supply chain opened up on the Sunshine Coast. Their products are always good quality, good warranties, they back their products, and they're also willing to help us out and come to the party if we have any issues on site. Today we're installing the NOX 3 and the NOXBOX. Should be a pretty easy install. Cool, that was easy as. That was a super simple install. The bracket at the back made it super easy. You didn't have to take apart the light to actually get the fixings in. And the NOXBOX was pretty quick with the Wago connectors in the back. Super fast to actually get your cables stripped and connected. So I'd definitely recommend this to the other lads out there. Real good quality products. I haven't had any issues on site with them and super easy to install.